stones are thrown simultaneously from the bottom and top of a tower. The questions which are asked are generally when and where will the stones pass each other or say cross each other. So, suppose I consider an observer on a stone 2 at the top. Then for him the velocity of the stone 1 as seen by 2 is v12, which is v10 minus v20. Acceleration of 1 as seen by 2 is a12, which is a1 minus a2, and of course these are as seen by the ground observer, but acceleration of 1 as seen by the ground is minus g, and this one the acceleration of 2 is also minus g, which means that the relative acceleration between the stones falling is 0. Remember, one of the very important concepts, the acceleration between the falling stones, the relative acceleration between the falling stones is always 0. Displacement of 1 with respect to 2 is nothing but the height of the tower h. Now, we can use the equations of motion. v12 is equal to u12 plus a12 t. s12 is equal to u12 t plus half a12 t square. v12 whole square is equal to u12 whole square plus 2 a12 dot s12. We can use this set of equations and solve it for the unknown.